How to recover deleted photos in Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Also, don't forget to check the description box as you'll find some great offers and amazing giveaways that you might be interested in. With that said, let's get started. Go ahead and open up Instagram, and then let's navigate to the profile page. And say for example we deleted this picture right here, and then we wanted to recover it. How we will be able to do that? It's very easy. From the profile page, click on the three lines at the top right corner, then click on your activity, and here scroll down to this section that says removed and archived content. From there, click on recently deleted, and here you will be able to find all of the posts and pictures that you have deleted in the last 30 days. As you can see, it has a countdown right here, so each day they go by, the post will be minus 1 day, and when all the days 30 days has been passed, the post will be permanently deleted and you will not be able to recover it, as they say right here, as Instagram tells you. So let's say you have deleted it within the 30 day and you want to recover it. Just click on it, and once you are here, click on the three dots at the top right corner of the picture, then click on restore. Click restore to confirm, and that's it. It's pretty easy. Let's go back to the profile, and as you can see, the picture is right here. However, you will only be able to do this within 30 days. Keep that in mind. So that was it for this video. That's how you can recover deleted pictures on Instagram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.